Hello everyone, and welcome to another exciting episode of AI Marketing Mastery. I'm Sandra-Carlisle, and today we're diving into a game-changing topic: boosting local SEO with artificial intelligence. The Local SEO Revolution. Did you know that 46% of all Google searches are looking for local information? That's right, nearly half of all searches have local intent. This means if you're not optimizing for local SEO, you're missing out on a massive opportunity to connect with potential customers. But here's the challenge. How can small businesses compete with larger companies in the local search arena? The answer lies in leveraging the power of AI. Today, I'm taking on an exciting challenge: boosting my local customers' SEO using only artificial intelligence tools. Let's see if AI can really make a difference. Before we dive into solutions, let's address some common hurdles. Limited resources and expertise, difficulty in generating relevant, localized content, keeping up with constantly changing algorithms, and standing out in a crowded local market. Let's explore AI-powered strategies for local SEO success. First, optimizing Google. My business with AI. AI tools can help you analyze competitor GMB listings, generate optimized business descriptions, and suggest relevant categories and attributes. Next, AI-driven keyword optimization. Discover hyperlocal keywords using AI tools that analyze local search trends, identify long-tail keywords specific to your area, and understand local search intent. Alright, so let's dive into content generation for local audiences. You can use AI to create location-specific blog posts and landing pages. It can also generate local event content and craft personalized meta descriptions for local searches. Pretty neat, right? Moving on to harnessing customer insights. AI can help you analyze customer reviews for sentiment and trends. It can identify local customer pain points and even predict seasonal trends in your area. It's like having a crystal ball for your business. Now, let's talk about AI in action. Let me share a quick success story. A local bakery in Berwyn, Pennsylvania used AI tools to optimize their Google My Business listing and create localized content. And the result? A 156% increase in local search visibility and a 78% boost in foot traffic within just 3 months. Amazing, isn't it? All right, let's dive into some actionable tips to get started. First, start with a Google My Business audit using an AI tool. Then, use AI-powered keyword research to find local opportunities. Next, implement AI content generation for your blog or social media. And finally, analyze your customer reviews with AI sentiment analysis. Remember, AI is not here to replace human creativity, but to enhance it. By combining your local expertise with AI-powered insights, you can take your local SEO to new heights. I hope this video has inspired you to explore the possibilities of AI in your local SEO efforts. If you've had any experiences with AI and local SEO, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more digital marketing tips and AI insights. Until next time, this is Sandra-Carlisle, signing off.